Well, the unofficial report is that the Sioux have asked everyone to evacuate, every non-native to evacuate in lieu of the storm. And however, the roads are impassable for anything other than four-wheel drives, and there are a lot of four-wheel drives in the ditch. 50, 100 cars in the ditch on either side of the road leading out of here. So anyone who receives this, pass it on to halt the incoming traffic, because it's a mass exodus at this point. About 3,000 people, and they've been given the order to evacuate. The veterans' tent collapsed. About 9 degrees Fahrenheit with howling wind, making it about 20, 30 below.